team, in this overview video we're going over the Delfast 90mm FAP coil nailer. So let's get into this. Open your case. First of all, you will find your tool, the owner's manual and warranty forms inside. Looking at this tool, you'll see belt hook, the air supply connection, magazine, depth adjustment and the trigger. This tool comes featured with a no mark tip that helps protect your work surface from any damage. This can also be just simply taken off by the hand, and then obviously you've got your prongs that will help you stay nice and firm on the surface that you're working with. This tool also has a bump fire trigger option. At the moment we have the sequential trigger operating this tool. If you'd like the bump fire, ask on request. Also, this has a 360 degree exhaust, so you can face this anywhere you go and loosen it off with a 4mm Allen key. Once you have it at your preference or wherever you'd like the air directed, simply fasten like so. A depth adjustment is also on the back side of this tool. By simply screwing out will bring the nose out, and screwing in will bring the nose in. That way there you can get your nails flush with your work surface, or if you'd like them a little bit deeper than the work surface, you can do so by just screwing in. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this overview video on the Delfast 90mm coil nailer.